Good morning everyone. Now we will discuss about an activity to prove that leaf produces starch as a result of photosynthesis. Yes, leaf is considered as a food factory of a plant. It is considered as a food factory of a plant, and the process of photosynthesis is the specific function of a leaf. As a result of this process of photosynthesis, starch is produced. It stores the food in the form of starch. So through this activity, we will prove that leaf produces starch as a result of photosynthesis. For this activity, we need a test tube, a green leaf, alcohol, beaker, water, tripod stand, and a burner, along with a plate or a dish. So first of all, we will take a green leaf. Okay, we will take a green leaf. Now put this green leaf into a test tube half filled with alcohol. Take a green leaf, put it into a test tube half filled with alcohol. Now put this test tube into the beaker. Put this test tube into a beaker half filled with water. Half filled with water. Now after that, start boiling water till all the green color of the leaf will remove. Means the leaf become decolorized. The green color of the leaf will comes into the alcohol. Now after the decoloration of the leaf, take out the leaf from this test tube and put it into a plate. Wash it with water. And now do the test for starch. Now for this test, take 1 to 2 drops or 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution. Which solution? Dilute iodine solution. And observe if there is any change in the color of the leaf. Yes, you will see the color of the leaf will change to blue black. So this activity proves that the leaf contains starch which is prepared through the process of photosynthesis. Now we will do an activity to prove that leaf produces starch as a result of photosynthesis itself. Yes, leaf produces starch. For this activity, we need a potted plant, a black paper, and dilute iodine solution. Along with this, to decolorize the leaf, we need spirit or alcohol, test tube, beaker, water, tripod stand, and burner. So first of all, take a potted plant and keep this plant into a dark room. Yes, keep this plant into a dark room for 1 day. For 1 day. So that the starch which is present in the leaves will be utilized by it, and due to the absence of sunlight, leaves cannot do, they are not able to do the process of photosynthesis. So take a potted plant and keep it into a dark room for 1 day. Next day, take out the plant and cover one part of the leaf. Cover one part of the leaf with black paper. Now take out the plant next day and cover one part of the leaf with black paper. And now keep this plant into the sun for 1 day. Now keep this plant into the sun for 1 day so that leaves can do the process of photosynthesis. After 1 day, again next day, pluck the leaf and do the test for the starch. For this test, what we need? First of all, take this leaf which is half covered with black paper and put it into a test tube. Put this leaf into a test tube which is half filled with spirit or alcohol, and now keep this test tube in a beaker half filled with water and boil the water till the leaf become decolorized. Means all the color of the leaves will lose. It will lose the color. Now again take out this leaf from the test tube and put it on a plate. Wash it with water and do the test for starch. For this test you need dilute iodine solution. Now pour the 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution first of all on that part which is not covered with the paper, means there, and put 2 and 3 drops of dilute iodine solution on that part which is covered with paper. You will see the portion which is not covered with black paper show the change in color, means process of photosynthesis is done by this part, but this part which is covered with black paper does not show any change in color. Means starch is not present in the leaf because sunlight is not reaches up to there. So this activity proved that the leaf produce starch as a result of photosynthesis itself. We will discuss an activity to show the process of transpiration in plants. Yes, transpiration is the loss of water from the aerial parts of a plant, especially from the leaves through stomata. For this activity, we need a potted plant and 2 poly bags. We need a potted plant and 2 poly bags. First of all, take 1 poly bag, tie its mouth and put it into the sun. Take 1 poly bag, tie its mouth and put it into the sun. The bag should be empty and dry. The bag should be empty and dry. Now take the another poly bag which is empty and dry and tie up into the mouth of the potted plant. And tie up on the mouth of the potted plants and leave it at least for 2 to 3 hours. After some time, after 2 to 3 hours, observe both the poly bags. You will see in the poly bag which is in the sun, there is not any water droplets on the inner space, but the potted plant which is in the sun and with the poly bag tie up on its mouth, you can see the tiny water droplets on its inner surface of the bag. So these tiny water droplets proves that the process of transpiration is done by the aerial parts of the plant and especially by the leaves.